Kuluju ni baro dah kene ka video ko mentang an solve ya kene question paper jong mentau snemi question jong DELED arjar r yang dan question. Okay, question number 1. The digit of unit place in 205 into 321 into 426 into 237 will be the correct answer for this will be 0. Hangni fin shu multiply tang usan uwe nriu bat nyo te fin nyo bat 0 man fin hape unit digit udah min barba halas do te answer kali 0. Then question number 2. Which of the following is used for dating archaeological specimen in bones and shell? Can it D, C, 14, carbon 14. And 3. Vinegar is an aqueous solution of, this correct answer is A, acetic acid. 4. Galvanized iron sheet are protected from rusting due to the presence of layer of. And question number 4 is zinc. Correct answer is D, zinc. And then number 5, an atom or group of atom which has a positive charge or negative charge is known as, this is ion, C. Question number 6, river water is harder than rainwater because, this correct answer is B, it contains salt of calcium and magnesium. How many languages are recognized by the Constitution of India and the age schedule? This one is 22. Who was the founder of Saka era? The founder of Saka era is Kanishka. The founder of Saka era is Kanishka A. And number 9. Which one is not a fundamental right of the Constitution of India? This one is D, right to property. 9D. 10. Choose the correct statement to the understanding of the word gender. And this one, gender is a social construct. B is the correct answer. Number 11. Issue of bank notes of all denomination in India is the sole function of Reserve Bank of India, RBI. The country with the largest reserve of uranium today is, the correct answer for this is C, Kazakhstan. Plague is this one, for number 13, I'm not so sure. So for this one, my correct answer is B, bacterial. Plague is a bacterial disease. 14. The most widely used spread soil in India is D, alluvial soil. 15. Which of the following option is not an indicator of human development index? This one, the correct answer is C, digital and technological advancement. It's not an indicator of human. Who presides over the meeting in the Rajya Sabha? This one is Vice President. A is the correct answer. Vice President presides over the meeting in the Rajya Sabha. 17. Language is a tool because it is used for communication, to communicate from each other. 18. Which of the following word is used in the plural sense? For this also I'm not sure. So the word here, the question is which of the following is used in the plural sense. So I'll take as C. Nomor ba A, B and D, they can use both as plural and singular, so I'll take C as the correct answer. C. 19. An exercise which learner need to retain information, write legibly and daily with good speed is regarded as, this one should be dictation. If you dictate and you have write with a good speed, then legibly and neatly, because for a paragraph and storytelling and precise, you could write whatever you want. So my correct answer is D, dictation. In which of the following sentence the verb does not agree with the subject? And for question number 20, for this one also I'm not sure, but my correct answer for this is D, bread and butter are a tea time table. And question number 21, which of the following sentence is correct? This one is C, the girls are talking to each other. That is the correct answer, C, 21C. 22. Which among the following is not a determinant of paragraph writing? Material selected. D is the correct answer. The set of rule, principle and process that govern the structure of sentence in a given language is known as syntax. C is the correct answer, syntax. 24. Which of the following is not the synonym of the word nomads? This one, it should be trespasses. Trespass. A is the correct answer. Fill in the blank with the correct conjunction in the sentence. Many things have happened dash we last met. So 25, the correct answer is B, since we last met. 26. Which of the following statement is true to the word chameleon? The correct answer is A, a person of changeable character or habits. 26. A. 27. Earth Day is celebrated on B, April 22. SOP is the content of COVID-19 stand for Standard Operating Procedure. B, Standard Operating Procedure. Federation Cup in India is associated with which games? 29 is sports or football. D. 30. Which is the summer capital of Uttarakhand? This one will be B, Gerson or Gersan. ATM stand for automated teller machine. D is the correct answer. And 32. Which of the following is same as flood, fire, and cyclone? So this one, it is earthquake. It same as both of the three. Yes, earthquake. D is the correct answer. Okay, for this one, 33. A is B brother, C is A's brother, B is D granddaughter, F is A sons. How is F related to D? F is A son, A is D granddaughter, because A and B is brother. So F is grand then is great. So the answer here is great grandson. It should be a great grandson to D. F. 34. From the set of given numbers, 34. From the sets of given numbers given in the four alternative, find the set which has the same pattern as 29, 36, 41. 29, 36, 41. Piaman page ka pattern te hang ne page kum tunga. Ar khandai hadu life and ka no ka jangai te life and sofi ka no ka jangai then pinta wat hang ne te hang ne correct answer hang ne ka dai C. Te ar khandai kan wan nyeo pat san no nyeo pat san ar khandai do phendu ka nyeo ka jangai per life and wat sofi san ka jangai per ta khaner ka ju kan nyeo plus nyeo long ar sao plus san ar khandai. So C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. 35. Select which of the following different from other the response. So hangne ka correct answer ne kari D, because A, C, and F. Then A ja B te plus 1. Hangne ja artli C, D, E plus 2. Te kini L, M, B ro kamju, C ro kamju tang kai ya D, U, V, W, X, Y. U, W, Y. Te hangne ja A plus 1, U, V, V1, W, X, Y. Te plus 1. Te kini artli ngana dapat kini dia plus 1 plus 2. So the one which is different is D. D is the correct answer. And 36. Read the statement stated under, then choose which of the following conclusions correct the statement given. Statement all knowledge is good, all knowledge is difficult. So for this, correct answer A, some good things are difficult. And 37. The most important objective of learning is modification of behavior. Modify your behavior. 37 is C. 38. A good textbook avoid gender bias. B, gender bias. It avoid the gender bias. 39. The teachers took her student to a field trip, and after coming back, she discussed the trip with them. This may be considered as assessment for learning. 40. A creative learner refers to one who is good at lateral thinking and problem solving. That is a creative learner. 41. A teachers must believe in which of the following values in the content of dealing with disadvantaged learners. So for this one is B, personal accountability for student success. And 42, which of the following statement is true? For this one, A is the correct answer. Evaluation is an extension of measurement. Kawan siya measurement, maka measurement ketika old concept, dan kawan evaluation is the new concept. So I'll take A as the correct answer. Braille is a learning resource for this one is D, with visual impairments. Learner with visual impairments. 44. Conducive learning environment in the class is seen when learners. For this one, correct answer is I'll take A. Actively engage themselves in the learning process. And 44, 45. The primary task of teacher is to facilitate, motivate, guide, and facilitate learning of learners. 46. Individual learners differ from each other in rate of development. Kajing sun. Okay. D is the correct answer. And 47. Which of the following digit can be on the place of unit digit when any number is squared? So for me, for this one is 5. Malada v square you 5, root of 25, v square you 25, root of 125, then unit digit on debit you 5. So my correct answer is D. And then 48, the number which being multiplied by 8 product will be greater than half the number by 90. I'll take the answer as 12. Kan kan come long tricky kandiat te kan one kumni te x, let x be the number te kan one 8 multiplied 8 x te un come here by half the number te ham he ten one minus maru come here u ne u ax te long no x by 2 is equal to 90. 90 then what LCM hang ne what LCM ngan yo ben 16x minus x by 2 to 90, then the cross multiply and one direct back lakin ban by 15x is equal to cut fra as make fra 180, then I cancel never nyo cut r, so x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. A is the correct answer. How much percent is 20 base of 5? This one is C, 4%. And the last answer is number 5. X percentage of y plus y percentage of x is equal to B, 2% of xy. 2% of xy. Okay, that's all, and thank you.